Today, the Constitutional Court had our petition number 12, 2024, where we are asking court to help the Ugandans either to harmonize or interpret the Constitution. You have MPs who are doubling as ministers. You have the Prime Minister, who is an MP. You have a Vice President, who is an MP. And you have an Attorney General, a Deputy Attorney General, who is an MP. But then that causes a fusion of the legislature and the executive. But the biggest question is, when has the Vice President ever stood on the floor of Parliament to represent her people? Which committee of Parliament does any of the ministers who are MPs sit on? Because the people sent their MPs to Parliament to represent them and not to the executive. Number two, the ex-official members of Parliament, they receive salary, they receive fuel, they receive the cash from Parliament. Which constituency they represent? We find that is actually cheating the public and the taxpayers' money, because we are only supposed to pay for the members who are elected in Parliament. But ex-official MPs are ministers, they receive a car as a minister, they receive fuel as a minister, at the same time they are getting emoluments from Parliament. Number four, the double payments. A minister has a car as a minister and a budget for fuel as a minister. When they are going to the constituency as an MP, which car do they drive? Do they drive the one as a minister? Do they drive the one as the one given by the Parliament? So that is wasting the public resources. So we are in a sort of a conundrum. And the court is also saying, what do we do? And I said, no, as a constitutional court, you have the powers to either harmonize the constitution and make directives. The last one, when the vice president is a de facto president. When the president dies, the vice president takes on as the president. If we are, for example, now, if we have less than 6 months to elections, now what happens when the vice president is an MP and becomes the president? There are no guidelines.